If you're wondering what kind of home you can buy in the Grand Rapids area in different price points, today we're taking a look at 200,000 versus 2 million and what that can get you in the Grand Rapids area. From cozy lakefront living to downtown condos, let's go take a look. We have 5 properties in Grand Rapids neighborhoods, all priced near $200,000. These could work for first-time buyers, investors, or anyone looking for an affordable option in a lively city. First up, we have a 3-bed, 1-bath home in East Hills. This neighborhood is known for its historic charm, local boutiques, and walkable streets. With about 1,200 square feet of finished living area, this home has vinyl siding, hardwood floors, and replacement windows. The roof, furnace, and water heater are all under 3 years old, so you can expect fewer maintenance surprises. And being close to popular restaurants and shops makes it appealing as a starter home or rental. Next up, we have a 3-bed, 1.5-bath home in Roosevelt Park, a neighborhood that's undergoing a lot of positive redevelopment. It's fully renovated with fresh paint, updated flooring, new doors, and modern light fixtures. With proximity to downtown, you have easy access to local businesses and city events. This could be a move-in ready home for anyone or a solid investment property in the area that's showing steady growth. Our third property sits in Creston, a neighborhood on the north side known for its art scene, breweries, and easy access to Riverside Park. This 3-bed, 1-bath home is about 1,000 square feet and has an updated kitchen and bathroom. You'll find a mix of hardwood, tile, and carpet flooring. Creston is a popular area for first-time buyers and professionals who enjoy a blend of local coffee shops and community events. If you want a cozy home that doesn't need much work, this one is worth considering. Now for a more urban setting, check out this studio condo at Boardwalk Condos near downtown Grand Rapids. It features exposed beam ceilings, a Murphy bed that maximizes space, and a private balcony overlooking a pool courtyard. The HOA covers amenities like a conference room, game room, and rooftop deck, and much more. Downtown restaurants, entertainment, and the riverfront are all close by. If you want walkability and a modern vibe at an affordable price, this is an excellent option. Last in our $200,000 price range is a 3-bed, 1-bath house in Garfield Park, a neighborhood known for its tree-lined streets, active community association. This home has hardwood floors in the main areas and ceramic tile in the kitchen and bathroom. A spacious basement includes a non-conforming fourth space, useful for storage or a home office. This home has a strong rental history, but could also be a comfortable primary residence if you're looking to be near downtown without paying a premium price. Now, those are 5 around 200,000. Now let's explore the other end of the market. 5 luxury homes around 2 million. These 5 properties showcase the range of high-end living options in and around Grand Rapids, from waterfront retreats to private estates with resort-like amenities. Our first luxury home is on Bostwick Lake, about 30 minutes from downtown Grand Rapids and only about 15 minutes from Rockford's charming Main Street. This 4-bed, 5-bath property has around 3,800 square feet of living space. One standout feature is the European-style soapstone heater that doubles as a pizza oven. There's even a secret room, adding a unique touch. With sunsets on Bostwick Lake, they're spectacular, and the property's multi-level deck and newer dock let you enjoy every moment of lake life. It's a rare find for those who want waterfront living within reach of the city. Next is a 6-bed, 5.5-bath home in Hudsonville, known for its award-winning schools and suburban feel. With almost 7,000 square feet, it has 20-foot ceilings. It has 20-foot ceilings in the great room, a custom marble fireplace, a wall of windows for ample natural light. The kitchen is designed for cooking and entertaining. Quartz countertops, a massive center island, double ovens, dual dishwashers. Outside, you're going to find a heated L-shaped pool, a shaded patio, and basketball court. This home is built for gatherings in every season, with a covered deck space that includes built-in heaters for the cooler months. Now we head over to East Grand Rapids, a sought-after area close to Gaslight Village and Reed's Lake. This 4-bed, 4-bath home is an architect's personal residence, focusing on clean lines, open spaces, and natural light. Floor-to-ceiling windows bring in greenery from all sides. A floating staircase adds dramatic visual effect. And the IPE Brazilian hardwood rooftop deck with living roof offers a tranquil spot for relaxation. East Grand Rapids is known for its high property values, top-rated schools, and a small-town feel with city conveniences. If you appreciate modern design and a prime location, this is a standout choice. Next up, we have a 6-bed, 5-bath modern home in a gated community in Ada. Ada blends quiet, wooded atmosphere with quick access to Grand Rapids. Built by KLH Builders, this house has nearly 6,000 square feet of open yet comfortable living areas. The kitchen features hidden appliances and plenty of room for gatherings. The main suite has a renovated bathroom and an impressive walk-in closet. Downstairs, there's a second kitchen, a game area, large entertaining space. This house is ideal for hosting friends and family while still having private retreats when you need them. Finally, we have a luxury estate in Egypt Creek Estates, also in Ada. This 5-bed, 8-bath home offers Creston Smart Home System, a gourmet kitchen equipped with top-of-the-line appliances, and a 3-season porch with a wood-burning fireplace. The lower level is built for fun, featuring a full bar, wine room, and gym, and spacious entertainment zones. Outside, you have 150 feet of Grand River frontage, perfect for those nature lovers or anyone who values privacy and scenic views. It's also close to Forest Hill schools, making it a strong option for those both wanting luxury and convenience. Those are our 10 highlights, 5 near 200, 5 near 2 million. Grand Rapids has something for everyone, from cozy neighborhoods to high-end estates with resort-like amenities. If any of these homes pique your interest, reach out. My team and I would be glad to set up a tour or answer any questions that you have. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.